I am right here at the beach and something happened here very serious. A canoe came over and they are pulling the net to the extent that they've seen that they've make a bumper harvest to the extent that the fish is too much to them. And what happened? The net got burst to the extent that all fish stocks in the nets have to escape back to the sea. So everybody is here trying their possible best, getting into the sea to get some of the fish and then get into their pocket. So this is what is happening. I'm trying the possible best to speak to the owner of the net. Maybe what's happened? Does it mean that the nets have been there for a long time? That is why it has to burst at this time. Why? Or is it so much that the net cannot contain that? That is why it has to burst at this time. So let's go and let's try the possible best and speak to the owner of this net and see why the danger of this. Can this happen to everybody? What is the reason behind this? So follow me, Everlove TV. Remember to subscribe and be part of this great family. Let's go and follow them. This is how they are trying to fetch the fish in the sea. Everybody is in the sea trying their possible best to get one of the fish.
What's you walk after me? D'accord avion.
Nke jo fier an la ko re chamo.
Rowo adubolo meta awogboa. Ye na kata koro chamo.
Ta fi fier hey yo formula de o ko gana mi awalo.
Aw free. Atro zo to free. O ko gana roto. Atro zo to maraka ma ko gala o shi.
Ka roto mo do agba.
Adu agba. Aro ma agblene adu agba. Fi fia alabo ga dangba fia jiga. Aplero akporo boy. Eh. What's you walk after me?
Okay. Just witnessed the second net, and this has also made some catch, and they are trying their possible best to pull it, but they are finding it difficult to pull it out. Check it out. This is the first net, and we have the second net inside. So let's go and check what is happening. Nimbole.
hold it, never. Ah oui, ça allait. Oh.
Yes. Actually, as I'm here, this very net managed the apostle best to pull all the nets out. This is the first one, and that's the second one. We don't actually know this is a bumper harvest or not, but they are saying there is something in the water that they are getting, so this is not a bumper harvest. They call it adrupo. I'm trying the possible best to find the name in English. So check out the description, I'll get you the name, and then let's see. So I'm going over there and see what exactly is happening. Were they able to have a fish as how they were expecting? As how everybody is here in a mind that they are coming to have a bumper harvest and then have a fish then get something into their pocket today. So let's go close and see whether this is a bumper harvest to them. Thank you, Everlove TV right here. Remember to subscribe to Everlove TV on YouTube. Be part of this great family so that we grow all together. Let's go and have a look. Actually, this is the third fishing boat that landed this morning, and as I've been closer to them, they are complaining that everything they are getting is the jellyfish. Jellyfish is what they are talking about. So I'm going to go closer and see the number of jellyfish that they were able to get, and then wherever they are able to separate it, the fish that they will get, and see what exactly will happen. So let's go closer to them and see what exactly is happening there. All the fisher folks are saying it's only jellyfish that they are getting. There is no anything called bumper harvest at this time. The only thing they are getting is jellyfish. So let's get closer to it and then see what exactly is happening. Remember to subscribe to Everlove TV because we are here to stay and bring you all the content surrounding us. So let's go and see whatever they get. And if it is still the jellyfish over here, then let's go close.
The first pool. So after the first pool, the jellyfish will be less and less. So then they'll get more fish as time comes.
As time comes, they'll get more fish.
The jellyfish will be less.
So meaning you are expecting...
Because it's been a month, the beach was closed for a month. Yeah. They've been populating for a month and they are all over the place. But now they've gotten most of them. It's not only this guy. Most of them. Yeah, most of them they've got.